Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the things that you need to do and have in place and set up properly when you're uploading your video so that it's optimized for the keyword that you want to rank for. This is really simple stuff, and this is pretty much the only hard work that you're going to have to do in addition to your keyword research and picking out your keywords you want to rank for. But once you pass this step, once you get all this set in place, you're basically just going to outsource the rest. Alright, so first thing is I'm not going to go over setting up your YouTube channel. Basically, once you order that Fiverr gig, for the YouTube accounts, you should have a number of accounts that they've created with Gmail, email addresses, and passwords. You basically just log in as one of those. And when you log in, it should have your Gmail account information here up at the top. And the first thing you want to do is come over here and click this little arrow. Come over here to settings, and we're going to change our YouTube account name to reflect the keyword that we want to rank for. So when you first set up an account, it should have like the name of your first and last name. So you just click, there should be a button that says like create a channel name or create a custom channel. You'll click that, and then it'll prompt you to say, would you like to use your name, your first and last name, and there should be a link there that says create a custom, channel name or use a business name instead. You'll click that, and you'll basically just start typing out the keyword phrase that you want to rank for. If it's taken, just try to get some of the words that you want to rank for. So, if you want to rank for binary option systems and binary option system was already taken, you could try to rank for like binary options FX or something like that. Some variation, something that has one or two of the keywords in it would be fine. And so you'll just change the name. The next thing I do is create a little profile image. This is I just did a Google search, I think, for like binary option systems. Grab the image, come in here to my account, click change, and then you upload that image there. That's just a personal preference. I kind of want to I just kind of want to make the profile and the YouTube account look as legit as possible. If you don't have any kind of image there, they may be like, oh, this is some kind of spam account that somebody just set up really quick. So change the picture, change the keyword, the YouTube channel name to reflect the product or service that you're trying to promote. And then after that, I come over here to my channel, and I come over here to about. And I usually enter 1 to 3 sentences here about the product or service that I'm trying to promote, because I want to make it as legit as possible. If people are clicking around and they're like, what, they're trying to learn more about this YouTube channel or this product I'm trying to promote, I want to be as authentic as possible and kind of go over and above what the normal kind of person that's setting up multiple YouTube accounts is going to do. So I always put a description here in the about section, and I link to my website that I'm trying to send people to, and put the keyword that I want to rank for in the anchor text here. And how I do that is in about, you can just click this button here, and that's the description. And then for the link, you can just click add there, and I just leave that checked. And then for the keyword I'm trying to rank for is binary option system. And then I purchased this domain name from namecheap.com, which I'm forwarding to a ClickBank product. So I've got that in there, and then it appears up here on my little channel art here. So binary option system, that's the keyword I'm trying to rank for. So I have it saved there. So I would recommend doing that. And if you don't already have a cloaked URL, I definitely recommend doing that either through Bitly or tinyurl, or if you want to get more legit, which I highly recommend, make it look more official and build some more trust or credibility with people that are finding your videos, I would purchase a domain name, which is going to run you about $10 or less over at namecheap.com. Once you have all that in place, that's kind of the first steps I take. Then I make sure that my YouTube my video that I want to rank for, the video that I want to upload to YouTube, is named as the keyword that I want to rank for. So the video, if it's a .mp4 file, .flv, whatever, .avi, I want to make sure that it's called binary options system or binary options system .avi. So you definitely want to make sure that it's called that. So when you come over here to upload, I'll show you here. You upload it, and you want it to be named your whatever you're trying to rank for. So in this case, binary options system. That's what I'm trying to rank for. So that's what I named my video. Very important. And you just click upload, and then once it's uploaded, I'm just going to break down my video instead of just uploading. I'm going to break down the one that I have. So these are the important things that you need to pay attention to. These are the important things you need to pay attention to as far as SEO after you uploaded your video to kind of optimize it. So you want to make sure that your keyword that you're trying to rank for is the first couple of words in your title. So binary option system, that's what I wanted to rank for. So I put it first. And then if you can try to use it again or a variation of it. So it kind of looks weird if I put binary option system. This is the best binary option system. So I put binary option system, best binary option signal service. So I've got binary options in there twice. So, and then the next thing you want to do is you only have 3 lines to work with here. So I usually just do a short description using the keyword that you want to rank for here in the first sentence, and then it basically describes what the video is about or the product or service you're trying to promote, and then a call to action to the URL that you're trying to promote and redirect them to the service or product that you're trying to offer. So this is what it looks like to the normal person that doesn't click show more. And then what I do in addition is I come down here and I add about 3 short little paragraphs describing kind of what binary options are or whatever the service or product that you're trying to promote, just so that you can include the keyword that you're trying to rank for and some LSI or latent semantic terms, which are basically terms that are related to the keyword that you're trying to rank for. So it would, it's kind of hard to put binary option systems in every single paragraph and make it look natural. So as you can see, I don't only have that here in this last paragraph, but in these other paragraphs I do talk about binary options. So there's some related keywords there. So make sure the keyword that you're trying to rank for is in the description, and I would add a couple more paragraphs. Here. Also, if you can get a domain name that is relative to the keyword, that is relative to the product or service that you're trying to promote. So this is a binary option system. I got binary options signals FX because binary options signals, binary options trading signals.com, .net, those are all taken. So I got something that's closely related to the product as I could. And as far as the tags to rank for, let me go over here to my video manager. It doesn't actually show you the tags on the YouTube video itself. So what I've basically done is my keyword that I want to rank for, long tail keyword, is binary option system. So you don't have to blow this and out of proportion, go crazy with stuff in it full of keywords. You just need a couple in there. And what I've done is I've taken the keyword that I want to rank for, I put that first, that whole long tail phrase, binary option systems, and then I've broken it down to binary options and then systems, the individual words. And then threw in an extra keyword there at the end that's kind of relative to what I'm trying to rank for, which Forex, binary, kind of goes hand in hand. So and if you want to get some ideas, you can go to other YouTube channels, and if you have no idea what to rank for, you can type in your keyword binary options system, and you can see, hey, this guy, he's number one. Let's see this guy. Let's click on his video and you say, you know what? I want to know what this guy used for his keywords. So you can right click. Let's pause that. You can right click and show the page source, and we can go down here to keywords, and we can see these are his tags basically. So you can get some ideas and basically copy their keywords if you want to. So that's an easy way to figure out what keywords or tags that these guys are using in their videos. So that's basically SEO in a nutshell. You basically want to make sure that your keyword that you're trying to rank for is in your title, it's in your description here, in these first 3 lines. If you can get it to be, or pieces of the keyword phrase that you're trying to rank for, if you can get it in the domain, that's great. And also be sure to include it in the tag. And very, very important, make sure the name of the file that you're uploading is named for the keyword that you want to rank for. So you do all those things and you should be great, but that's basically all you need to know about optimizing your video for your keyword. And then just one more thing I want to add. I usually only put 1 video per channel for a particular keyword I'm trying to rank for. So for this channel, it has to do with binary option system, so I only have 1 video. If you want to rank multiple videos, multiple keywords, if you want to rank multiple keywords for within a channel, just make sure that the videos that you're ranking that keyword for are different videos. You don't want to have 10 of these same exact 1 minute 34-second videos and they're all ranking for different keywords, because somebody's probably going to catch on and maybe flag your video or flag your channel, and it may get taken down. So just as a way to spread your risk and protect yourself, I just recommend uploading 1 video or maybe 1 to 3 videos per channel.